guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you something very cool. So, I'm going to go outside here. This morning, I found something really cool. And I won't tell you yet because I want it to be a surprise for you guys. Alright, so right now we are currently in my backyard. And my pool is over here. Really huge. Okay, now I need to show you something amazing. It's so funny. See if he's there. He's there. Good. Because I don't know if you guys can see him. I'll get a little closer. Just don't want him to pop away. But in that birdhouse, there is a frog. See that? Look closely. See that green thing up there? Right in there? And that's all I wanted to show you guys. Well, peace out. See ya.